Every day, Skunky would go to work with a lot of energies. He is always excited in helping everyone, especially when it involves nature. Adelaide, the editor, is in charge of the paper recycling department. Matilda, her helper and also the designer, is in charge of the plastic recycling department. Roxy, the most reliable coder, is in charge of the unrecyclable material department. Finally, with the help of Mr. Eleutherius, the Skunky HQ could never go wrong. Skunky is inspired by the art style chibi. We've also took some inspiration from the cartoon Linetown and We Bare Bears. As for the truck, we are inspired by real-life garbage truck mixed with a sprinkle of imaginations and creativity. The materials we used are paper and cardboards. It is light and lessen the burden for most of our work. We've put our servo inside our truck. It is placed vertically and had been set right above the other end of our tube. Save the world and happy reduce, reuse, and recycle. For this year's challenge, there are 24 junctions. There are 3 stops, and for each stops, ping pong ball must be released from the tube. Function Kiri and Kanun is required to take a turn. It is set at junction 3, 5, 20, and 22. Function Turus is to go straight forward. It is set at most of the junctions. Function Stop is to stop. Function Poozing is to turn around after finishing a task at a stop. Function Follow Line is what controls the tire. M1 represents the left tire and M3 represents the right tire. In the on-start block, we've set the servo at 90 degrees to close it. We've also set our servo at 0 degrees to open it, especially at junction 4, 12, and 21. Our first problem is the design. The hole was too small, so the ping pong ball won't pass through. We've cut the hole bigger and we fixed our first problem. Our second problem was the coding. The robot won't detect the junctions prepared, so we've adjusted our coding and tried changing the batteries, which did work, fixing our problem.